can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. Hi, ukulele friends. Let's do this song together. It's Enya's hit from 2000 that has been used in advertisements, films, and is also associated with the remembrance of those who perished in the 9/11 attacks. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I drop a video. It helps spread the ukulele love. Please and thank you. Think of this lesson as kind of like a musical buffet. I'm going to offer you a lot of things to choose from, and you can pick and choose what you want depending on your artistic sensibilities and where you are on your ukulele journey, because it is my sincere wish to help you on your ukulele journey. So whether you're a more advanced player or whether you're a fairly new out-of-the-box beginner, I've got something for you so that you can do this song. I've got timestamps down below so you can find the section that you want exactly, and then check out the play along that I have. I'm going to annotate that, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm doing in the choices that I made for the play along. Enya does this song in the key of E flat, and E flat is maybe not the most comfortable key for a lot of ukulele players to play in. So I've got some options for you. You can use a capo. Make sure you get a ukulele specific capo, put it on the first fret. And then with the capo on the first fret, then you can play using these chords, but everything will sound like it's in the key of E flat, and you can play along with Enya. Don't have a capo? I've got another option for you. Grab your tuner and tune your entire instrument up a half step. There you go. Now your instrument should be G sharp. It's running flat already. G sharp, C sharp, F, and A sharp. You will not harm your ukulele doing this. Trust me, it'll be just fine. And so I find capos are sometimes just kind of a little awkward and weird, and they cut the resonance down on your strings because all of a sudden your strings got shorter. So I like tuning my instrument up a half step when I can.
Ruh-roh.
Don't like playing a B minor? Yeah, I get it. It's a barred chord. So if you're not there yet on your ukulele journey, use a capo, place it on the third fret, and then you can play the entire song with these chords: C, G, F, and A minor, and it'll sound in the key of E flat, just like Enya does it. So isn't that cool? As a way to thank my wonderful patrons, and seriously, if you weren't supporting me, I wouldn't be in front of this camera doing this tutorial, not in the all. Anyway, for your lovely support, I'm offering you 3 chord charts. There will be a chord chart in D and in E flat as well for those who want that challenge, and in the key of C as well. Through my patron support, I also do charitable goals, and we do that through our membership goals on Patreon. If you think that ukuleles can save the world like I do, well, consider joining. And then you get 2 live sessions a month as well, and lots of chord charts and direct access to me for support. So just $3 a month if you've got that to spare. I'd sure love to have you as part of this growing, engaged group on Patreon. Strumming. Beautiful, easy strumming options. You can do it with simple downstrum, so it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So easy. Perfectly suited, particularly for good singers because then your singing can be the showcase. Don't want to go that slow with your strum? Well, you can do one for every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also do a basic rock strum. It's just one up strum, different from the every beat strum. Put in an up strum on the and of 4, so it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, but I cheat. Did you catch that? On that up strum, I lift up all the fingers on my chording hand and play an A minor 7. That gives me a half a beat to get my hand repositioned. So particularly like when you're going from the D to B minor, I'll do that very slow. Focus in here. I'm going to go down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Like that. So it's a cheat, but I think it adds style points too. So you actually are adding another chord to the mix and it sounds beautiful. Want an island strum? Absolutely, that works. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Now that was the island strum, but I did two things to make it not so basic. First is I did a thumb strum for the first down beat, and I slowed it down so you could hear each string ring out. I don't take the timing away from the island strum. It's still down, down, up, but I take up that full beat to get my thumb down to the A string. Gives it kind of a harp-like arpeggio sound. And I'm also doing that cheat that I showed on the basic rock strum. So watch that, like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. I think that just really adds another dimension to the island strum. But if you don't want to do those, just do a basic island strum, no problem. This song lends itself beautifully to finger picking. So you can do a 3 versus C, like that. Each finger goes on a string. The thumb comes down, these two fingers come up. So it's kind of like a pinch, pluck, pinch, pluck, pinch, pluck, pinch, pluck. You could also do just a basic waterfall down, I call it. So top string is 4, like the 4th floor, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you just do 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and nice and even. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I like to do a variation of the inside outside. It sounds like this. I say this all the time, easier said than done. Unless you're an experienced finger picking, these are just, your brain will get it and your fingers won't. So in order to help you with finger picking, I've got a link to a free finger picking course. For the more advanced finger picking, I have 2 inexpensive paid courses. I'll also link those down below as well because I want to help you, learn how to do these beautiful finger picking styles. You even have a few options with singing. When Enya sings it, every time she comes to the only, time. There's a pause there, only downbeat time. So I had to really keep reminding myself to do that. I might not get that every time when I do it for the play along. And it's okay. If you want to try doing it authentically like she does, great. Make that choice. Try to do it right. And if not, okay, Enya's Goon Squad's not going to come to your door and say, you didn't sing my song right. Well, and speaking of pesky, let's talk about the bridge, because this bridge is a little bit more persnickety than most. It changes key and meter. So let's go over the meter, the time signature first. This song is moving along in 4. So you're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Things are going along in 4s. And then the bridge is in 3. And so I'll get you into it. Nike saw your heart. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, oh, there goes the train. Now the train is in the distance. The very last line of the bridge goes from 3 to 2 to 4. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, just to be super challenging, the bridge also changes key. I've been playing this in D for you here, and we're rolling along in D, and then all of a sudden it changes to F. And in the key of D, you have an F sharp, and in the key of F, you don't. So I put in a little cheat to help you hear that F. So the last line goes like this. I'll just keep it in easy downstrums. Night leaves all your heart. D, D, F, D, da, de, da. D, da, de, da. Like that, because I just found that was very challenging for me to hear that shift for my voice, and so if I'm having challenges, you might too. Hey, and I would bet if you eliminated that bridge and just didn't do it, 95% of the people hearing it wouldn't even miss it. And if you're wanting to play it in the key of C, you have to eliminate it, because then the chords just get too hard. So just bye-bye, bridge. Don't have to do you today if you don't want to. All right, again, ukulele police are not going to come and grab you up for crimes against a song. So that's all for the teaching portion of this video today. What are you going to use? Let me know. I'd love to hear that. Let's play it together. I'll identify the choices that I'm making as we go along in the play along. Thanks for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. Who can say if your love grows as your heart chose? Only time. Dee-da-day, 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 oh, da-day, dee-da-day, dee-oh. Who can say why your heart sighs as your love lies? Only time. Who can say why your heart cries when your love lies? Only time.
da day, dee da day, dee da day, dee da day, oh da day, dee da day, dee oh. Who can say when the road meets that the might be in your heart? Who can say when the day sleeps if the night keeps all your heart? Night keeps all your heart. Who can say if your love grows as your heart